Hello and welcome. This is Sustainable Garden Design with Permaculture Principles, presentation number 2 for principle number 2, Catch and Store Energy. I am Tony T. Olis. I'm your host, and you can find more about me and permaculture and technology at tonytolis.com. My YouTube channel is Prepper21. Address is Tokyo 73. Lots of good videos there for you. My disclaimer is that this is what's worked for me in my yard, and I've been presenting this for neighbors in the area and other communities. It may not work for you, and please heed these particular warnings and requirements. Permaculture is based on the ethics of people care, earth care, and fair share, surrounded by 12 principles, created by Bill Mollison of Tasmania. And talk about a daredevil. Bill Mollison is a daredevil. Before Catch and Store Energy, water just used to escape down the backyard, which sloped and went to no use. After Catch and Store Energy, we now have fruit trees and bushes of all types and variety giving forth life, not just to us, but to the animals. Water and energy are intertwined. Producing energy uses water, and providing fresh water uses energy. Water provides life. Sun, water, soil, and vegetation are captured, stored, and reinvested throughout the landscape. By developing a system of ditches on contour, rain is collected when abundant and used in times of need. Saving water can also save energy. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and improve the structure and quality of soil, which will store carbon. Catch and store energy through a variety of means, including rain barrels, ditches on contours, and wood for hugel beds. In November 2011, it built an 11-log hugel bed in place where 2 flat square-foot gardens used to be. Rainwater used to run down the yard and escape. Now it is slowed by ditches on contour. Peaches, Asian pears, apples, grapes, berries, veggies of all varieties now grow tall and provide abundance for animal and plant life, as well as food for the table. Rainwater used to run down the yard and escape. Now it is slowed by plants that bear fruit. It's taken a few years, but we've learned to harvest many times from long-serving systems. Life abounds where there was once a wasted resource. Thank you for watching this. Again, a view of my backyard. Please take a look at the links and share your questions and advice. And again, my name is Tony T. Olis. I've been doing this for quite a while, and I want to share my knowledge with you. Get prepared.